Happy family day, happy Saturday. Since weekend ito, nag-request na naman yung aking anak at kumakain lang yon pagluto kong pastel. So chicken, of course, patatas, mushroom, what's this? All-purpose cream, garbanzos, green peas, at saka ibab, at saka green, kahaba, and then gata, patatas, green pepper. So yan ang aking sangkap for this pastel, chicken pastel. So yun na nga, ginisa ko na ng butter, garlic, onion. So ito na nga yung aking prepare kanina. Pinakita ko sa inyong sangkap. So ayun na, moist na. Yung aming favorite, family favorite na chicken pastel. Ayan